Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to book a flight on Expedia. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, booking through Expedia can make the process quick and easy. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Expedia website or app. Start by going to the Expedia website or opening the Expedia app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are on the home page where you will find the flight search options. Step 2. Enter your travel information. In the flight search section, input your departure city and destination. Next, select your travel dates. If your travel plans are flexible, you can also check the option for flexible dates to find the best prices. Step 3. Select the type of trip. Choose whether you're booking a one-way trip or a round trip. Click on either one-way or round trip to select the type that suits your travel needs. Step 4. Add passengers and class. Specify the number of travelers, including adults, children, and infants. Additionally, select the class of service you prefer: economy, business, or first class. Step 5. Click on Search. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, click on the Search button. This will generate a list of available flights based on your criteria. Step 6. Review flight options. Take a moment to review the options presented. You can filter the results by different criteria such as price, duration, and number of stops. Click on the flights that interest you to see more details. Step 7. Select your flight. Once you find a flight that suits your needs and budget, click on it to select it. Make sure to read through the fare rules and any additional fees that might apply. Step 8. Provide traveler information. You will be prompted to enter traveler details such as names, email addresses, and any special requests or preferences. Ensure that all information is accurate. Step 9. Choose additional services. Expedia may offer you options to add services such as insurance or car rentals. Choose what suits you best, but remember that these services will add to your total cost. Step 10. Payment information. Proceed to the payment page. Enter your payment details, including credit card information and billing address. Make sure to review your booking before finalizing your payment. Step 11. Confirmation. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email with your itinerary and flight details. Keep this information handy for your travel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more travel tips and guides. Happy travels!